Today is November 2nd, Mama G's birthday. Say hi, Mama G. Say, I am climbing on everything. Yeah. Come on. Come here. And he got a little fake cough this morning. Yeah. Dylan. Don't know why or what that's all about. Careful. There you go. Good boy. Come here. Let's show Mama G how you crawl. Mama G and Pop. But it's Mama G's birthday, so this is for her. Hey! Yeah, I've been working on the railroad. Hey! Does that feel good on your toofies? About to get some more tea. Yeah. Does that feel good on your toofies? Yeah. Goodness. Okay, come here. Hey. Look what I got. Look what I got. I got the camera, the little blue box. Come get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. There we go. Okay. Come here. Okay, it's gonna be nappy time. Say bye-bye. Say love you, Mama G.